Okay, so here we go. I'm going to make a screencast of my Moodle course beginning to end so you can see it. Alright, I'm not going to explain absolutely everything I'm doing, but the first thing I'm going to do is going to add a forum for news and announcements. Just generally what I do. My backspace key is not working. Okay, it's a standard form for general use. And force everybody to be subscribed, yes, forever. And uploads are not allowed because I'm not going to upload anything there. I'm just going to link to it if I need it. Save, return to course. Add a course, and this is going to be a web page. Course overview. And is it just my left key? Okay, and I have my Moodle project over here. Here's my course overview. I've done a lot of work ahead of this and kind of organizing and setting everything up. Windows, same return to course. And the next thing I want is another web page that is called Skimsy. This is going to be a review. Again, I have the whole text of it over here. And save and return to class. Looks like I'm going to have to go back and edit that, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. So first thing we'll do, insert label. Okay, and I'm going to compose a web page. Again, I always like to have my instructions in multiple places, so I'm going to put my objective in here. That way the students know what they're supposed to get out of the class. There you go. There's just some formatting issues. Anytime you cut and paste from one place to another in Moodle, there's going to be some formatting issues. I'm not really worried about it. And add activity, since everything this week is going to be in forums. Forum name is the Cameron. This bug is really annoying. And this is, I'm going to make this a Q&A forum. It's a Q&A forum. If you click on the question mark, lets you know. Forum requires students to post their perspectives before seeing the other ones. Now, come back here to the Moodle project. And I'm going to copy and paste the instructions. They're guiding questions. Need help remember for each letter. And I don't have any highlighting to be able to do here, but I would want to highlight this. So what I'm going to do instead is kind of set it apart. So if they only read two things, the objective and the first line of instructions, and it's good. Force everybody to be subscribed, no. And maximum rating my forums always have a grade of 5. There'll be a rubric. I'm not going to restrict dates. I'll just grade them later based on dates. See what my second letter is. I'm going to need to go back and edit that posting. Make sure I include the Doc Edwards letter. But it's no big deal. Again, I'm going to set that apart. Oh. When I edit that, I'm going to make sure that it's a Q&A forum, because that's what I want it to be. This one is the Charles Llewellyn letter. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in, scroll down to the bottom, come over here, Paul Cameron letter. I'm going to have to, alright, so I'm just going to cancel this for now, and open up Firefox. And while this is happening, I'm just going to insert a label here. That's why. I didn't type the URL right. Okay, hopefully this will take care of a few of my bugs. I'll log in here. Don't look. My password's super secret. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, and I should be able to now update this form. Yeah, now I can add in, I can do this, pop it out, makes it a little bit bigger. And do a little bit of highlighting. A little bit of NCSU red. And there's the Paul Cameron letter. So pop that back in. Save. Oh, turn editing on. That would work. And here's the Doc Edwards letter. Pop that back in. Make this a Q&A form. Save and return to course. Okay, finally, the Charles Llewellyn letter. Q&A form. Now remember, the Q&A form makes it so that the students cannot see any responses before they post a response. There's a little bit of way to cheat around that, but most students aren't going to bother. It requires adding and deleting an extra post. And honestly, if you want to do that much extra work to cheat, maybe you need the cheat. I don't know. Alright. Not really. I don't think anybody needs to cheat, but Moodle is good, but it's not perfect at preventing people from doing things that you don't want them to do.